Alam mo ba na pwede ka nang pumunta ng Japan nang walang visa? Yes, all you need is a cruise ticket. For as low as $349 per person for 6 days and 5 nights, makakarating ka na sa dream destinations mo. So paano nga ba ito? Simple lang. Just book your cruise ticket at www.stardreamcruises.com. Tulad ng sa amin, ang port of entry ay sa Hong Kong. From there, bukod sa Japan, dumaan din kami sa Keelung and Penghu, Taiwan. Imagine, 3 countries in just one trip. Kasama na sa package ang cabin accommodation, meals from breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Para kang naka-buffet 3 times a day for 6 days and 5 nights. Access to amenities like swimming pools, gym, zipline, and rock climbing. Plus, daily world-class shows on board. Please take note na hindi pa kasama dito ang round-trip airfare ticket papuntang Hong Kong, gratuities, shore excursions, and travel insurance. Meron din pala silang ibang mga ruta. May mga papuntang South Korea, iba't ibang parte pa ng Japan, at may mga available slots pa for September, October, and November 2025. Kaya kung matagal mo na pangarap ang Japan, ito na ang pinakasulit at hassle-free way. Book your cruise ticket now at www.stardreamcruises.com and live your cruise dream. Thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye!